The Philippines is a country made up of over 7,000 islands, offering a wide range of tourist spots and food options to explore. Here are some of the most popular tourist spots and food in the Philippines. Tourist spots: Boracay Island, a popular beach destination known for its white sand beaches and crystal clear waters. Palawan Island, home to some of the best diving spots in the world, with crystal clear waters and stunning coral reefs. Chocolate Hills, a unique geological formation of over 1,200 hills in Bohol. Mayon Volcano, an active volcano in Bicol known for its perfect cone shape. Tubataha Reef, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the best diving spots in the Philippines. Batanes, a group of islands in the northernmost part of the Philippines known for its stunning landscape and cultural heritage. Siargao Island, a popular surf destination with world-class waves and a laid-back island vibe. Banawe Rice Terraces, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a popular destination for its ancient rice terraces built by indigenous tribes. Vigan City, a well-preserved Spanish colonial town in Ilocos region, known for its cobblestone streets, old houses, and local delicacies. Camiguin Island, an idyllic island in the southern part of the Philippines, known for its volcanic landscape, waterfalls, and hot spring. Coron Island, a popular island in Palawan known for its beautiful beaches, lagoons, and shipwreck that are great for diving. Intramuros, the historic walled city in Manila that dates back to the Spanish colonial period, where you can find well-preserved buildings, museums, and churches. Foods: adobo, a popular Filipino dish made with meat, usually chicken or pork, marinated in a mixture of vinegar, soy sauce, and garlic. Sinigang, a sour soup made with tamarind and usually served with meat or seafoods. Lechon, a whole roasted pig that is a staple at many Filipino celebrations. Lumpia, a Filipino version of spring rolls usually filled with vegetables and meat. Kare-kare, a stew made with oxtail and peanut sauce. Halo-halo, a popular dessert made with shaved ice, milk, and various fruits and sweets. Chicken inasal, A grilled chicken dish marinated in a mixture of vinegar, calamansi, and various spices. Sisig, a popular dish made with chopped pig's face and ears, seasoned with calamansi, onions, and chili. Bicol Express, a spicy stew made with pork, coconut milk, and chili peppers, originating from the Bicol region. Kinilaw, a dish similar to ceviche made with raw fish or seafoods, marinated in vinegar, lime, and spices. Mangga at bagoong, a popular snack made with green mangoes and fermented shrimp paste, often served with rice or a grilled meat. Bibingka, a type of rice cake made with coconut milk and sugar, often served during Christmas season and other special occasions.